The black kite is a medium-sized bird of prey in the family Acciptridae, which also includes many other diurnal raptors. It is thought to be the world's most abundant species of Acciptridae, although some populations have experienced dramatic declines or fluctuations. The black-winged kite, also known as the black-shouldered kite, is a small diurnal bird of prey in the family Acciptridae, best known for its habit of hovering over open grasslands in the manner of the much smaller kestrels. The hook-billed kite is a bird of prey in the family Acciptridae, which also includes many other diurnal raptors such as kites, eagles, and harriers. It occurs in the Americas, including the Rio Grande Valley of Texas in the United States, Mexico, the Caribbean, Central America, and tropical South America. The red kite is a medium-large bird of prey in the family Acciptridae, which also includes many other diurnal raptors such as eagles, buzzards, and harriers. The species currently breeds in the western Palearctic region of Europe and northwest Africa, though it formerly also occurred in northern Iran. The white-tailed kite is a small raptor found in western North America and parts of South America. It replaces the Old World black-winged kite in its native range. The yellow-billed kite is the Afrotropic counterpart of the black kite, of which it is most often considered a subspecies. However, recent DNA studies suggest that the yellow-billed kite differs significantly from black kites in the Eurasian clade, and should be considered as a separate, allopatric species. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.